In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly duplicate events in Google Calendar. This is really helpful if you often create similar meetings, classes, or reminders and don't want to type the same details over and over again. Let's start by opening Google Calendar in your browser and making sure you're signed into the correct account. Once your calendar is visible, find the event you want to copy. This could be anything you've already created, like a weekly meeting, a personal appointment, or a work reminder. Click directly on that event to open its details in a small pop-up window. In this pop-up, look for the three vertical dots, usually located in the upper right-hand corner of the event window. These dots represent the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on them. This opens a small menu with several actions you can take on this event. From that menu, choose the option labeled Duplicate. When you click Duplicate, Google Calendar creates a new event that's an exact copy of the original. It keeps the same title, description, guests, location, and other details. However, it opens in a full edit window, so you can easily make changes before saving. Now you're looking at the duplicated events editing screen. Here is where you can adjust anything you need. For example, you can change the date and time to when you want this new event to happen. You can update the title if the new event is slightly different, or tweak the description to reflect any changes. If the new event doesn't need all the same guests, you can remove or add people in the guest list on the right side. Take a moment to double check everything: the calendar it's saved to, the notifications or reminders, and whether it repeats or not. Duplicating is especially useful if you want a one-time copy of a recurring style event without changing the original recurring series. Once you're happy with the changes, go to the top or bottom of the editing window and click Save. After you click Save, your duplicated event will appear on your calendar at the new date and time you selected, completely separate from the original. That's all there is to it. By selecting an event, using the three-dot menu, choosing Duplicate, and then saving, you can recreate events in just a few seconds and keep your calendar organized without extra time.